Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today we are going to be going over our spending for the week. We are going to unstuff those envelopes to go ahead and pay back that credit card. If that is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video and subscribe to my channel down below. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so overview. This week is a little bit shorter, and that is because I am stopping my spending on Friday, and that is because I am starting my vacation on Friday. Going to be taking a week off of work, and so we are going to be using our vacation fund for most of our spending for that time frame. So we are going to do that next week. So next week's will probably be from Friday to Friday again. So it is going to be a little bit shorter of a video because it's not a full week. But let's just go ahead and go over what we spent. So let's go ahead and start with our cash envelopes. Let's see. Where are we going to start? So I did not spend anything out of our personal envelopes. And y'all, we have not spent anything out of groceries either. So that's going to be good. This grocery money is probably going to go ahead and roll over for another week because we are not going to be picking up groceries for our vacation, even though it's a staycation. My in-laws are going to be in town, so most likely we're going to be going out a lot. We might have to pick up a few things here or there, but this is just going to roll over seeing I'm not working for a whole week. My husband did go ahead and fill up his gas tank, and that was $64. So 61, 2, 3, 4. So for gas, we are left with 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, $63. And you know what, y'all? I think I'm going to, here. So we're going to do 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that should equal out. I'm going to try and put some of the, take some of the lower bills out because this past week I think I'm going to need to make some change for my tips when I do my stuffing. So let's take some of these smaller bills out. Okay, so gas is left with 63. Pet care, we did spend $20.70 from pet care, so we're going to go ahead and take out 21. So 20 and 1. And in pet care, we are left with 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. All right, and dining. Y'all, we went over a little bit in dining. We went to our run club on Monday and went, of course, to our favorite brewery. And we did get a couple drinks and a pizza, and we spent $54.23. And then on Thursday night, I ended up closing, and my husband was out, and we just did not feel like cooking. So we did stop at Taco Bell and spent $15.69, which brings us to negative $1.92. So all of the dining is coming out, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the extra $2 that we spent out of our miscellaneous fund. So we'll take that over here. So now dining has 0, and I'm just gonna put a little note over here for miscellaneous. And miscellaneous is left with $12. Okay, now that's going to be it for our cash envelopes. Now we did spend a few things out of our sinking funds this week. So car maintenance. So last week when I was unstuffing, I think it was last week. No, maybe it was, no, it was a little bit farther up. Wait, nope, there it is. My husband had bought a part for my car on Amazon, but actually, y'all, when we got it, it was for the wrong vehicle. So he did have to make a return to Amazon, and that was for $60.76. So that was put back on our credit card. So that was an additional money. But then we had to buy the brake pads for his car, which we knew were coming, and that was $211.98. So after adding back $61.76, we should be left over with $54 in car maintenance. So we are just going to 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was just kind of the easiest way for me to figure out how to, because we had already taken the money for the car part for my car. Like, we had already paid that off on the credit card. So I just went ahead and, like, I don't know, just added it like on here as extra for car maintenance. So we actually didn't have the $266 in the envelope to start with. Does that make sense? I hope I'm not confusing y'all. But anyways, we should have the $54 left over in there. So let's put that back in here. So I'm gonna mark over here $54. Nothing from car mods. Racing events. My husband did have his monthly autocross last weekend. And that is $15. So we're going to take that out. And we are left with $10 in racing events. And let's see, health. My husband went ahead and got a haircut. He wanted to get that done before the wedding on Friday. So that was $30 for him to get a haircut. And in health, we are left with $20, $40, $50, $60, $65, $70, $75, $80. So $80 for health. And that is everything. That is everything that we spent for the week. So let's go ahead. It should be $350.91. So about $351 is what we should have over here. So let's get to counting. We have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So we do have the 351 here, and this will be going back to the bank to go ahead and pay off that credit card balance. And, well, that's it for today, y'all. So this coming week is going to be a little bit different. I did only work 3 days this week. So I believe there's, at this point, we are looking like it's only going to be 3 videos next week because I don't have a whole lot to stuff. I think I'm just going to do one big cash stuffing versus splitting it up like I normally do. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do Tuesday as my server income video, Thursday as the cash stuffing, and then go ahead and get back on my normal schedule and do my my cash unstuffing again on Sunday. So that's kind of what we're looking at for this coming week, seeing as I'm taking vacation time. Might change a little bit. Haven't really decided yet the exact schedule, but that's kind of what we're looking at for the next week. So I hope y'all are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.